So this is a troubleshooting for static routing. You have been given this scenario where we have 3 routers. The problem is PC0 is unable to access any of the servers, server 1 or server 0. Now I want you to figure out what the problem is. So you will only have access to the command line interface of routers and the command prompt of PC or server. You will not be using any features of Cisco Packet Tracer.
Okay, sir.
Go ahead and start troubleshooting. All the best.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So, first thing first, I have to see if there's IP address. So go to desktop, command prompt, ipconfig, and see if we are able to reach the default gateway. 192.168.1.
Now, first thing you have to check if you are. What is the problem? The problem is PC0 is unable to access the server. First check that.
Yes,
replicate the problem first.
Okay, sir. Desktop, server, command prompt, ipconfig 3.100. Okay. So let's see if it is 3.100. Okay, this host unreachable.
All right.
Okay, sir. So there's one way of checking it directly. We can just go here and say ping 192.168.1.1. Standard. Okay. Standard. So we should probably go to this router now. Command line. Check. Let's start with the basic. Show IP INT brief and see that this is up, administratively up. 192.168.1.254. Serial is 192.168.12.1. Now show IP route. See. So statically we have a 3.0 via 12.2. Okay, and 12.1 is serial. 12.2. Okay. 192.168.23. Enable show IP route. Okay. So any traffic to this network is going via this interface, and 3.0 is going via 2.168.2.3. What? I IP route routing entry for 192.168.3.0. Static distance 1 network 0. 168.2.
Gautam, let me know if you need any help.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Do you need?
No, sir. I'm in the process.
You're fine?
I don't get it. Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Take your time. Gautam?
Sir, yeah.
Any luck?
Everything seems to be alright. I don't know where just still seeing.
You need a hint, help?
Give me 1 minute, 2 minutes, sir.
No
192.
problem. Take your time.
Serial 000. I need to make note actually. Sir, I'll just tell you in my terms, sir. So here, this is 1.0 network and this is 3.0 that I understood from the command prompts. And here when I do this show int brief, show IP int brief, here it clearly states that both of these are administratively up. In the fast Ethernet, yeah, that's the one that's connected. Okay, this is IP address, the gateway, and here the serial is 192.168. Oh, 12.1. And then show IP address, show IP route. Statically, we have 192.168. For anything to 3.0 is going out through this serial port, sir. Here the serial port, this side is 12.1.
Okay, Gautam, let me help you. Yes, sir. Can you go back to the first step, please? PC0?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the first thing we have to do? Replicate the problem, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
The problem is PC0 is unable to reach 3.100. That is a problem.
Yes, sir.
Now, you try to replicate the problem by pinging to that machine. So, ping 192.168 3.100. And what is that output you got? Observe that output.
Yes, sir. So,
what is the output?
Destination host unreachable.
No. Output is complete. Yes, read everything. Reply from whom? Who gave you that reply?
Okay, sir. Ping 192.168 3.0 with 32 bits of data. Reply from 192.168 12.2.
Where is 12.2? Who is 12.2? 12.2 is some machine in your path. You don't know about it. See, forget about the topology. In real time, you will not be able to see the whole picture.
Yes, sir.
Can you maximize this screen, please? The command prompt. I can't see it. Yes.
Yep.
Now, is there any other command to check what the device is 12.2? See, I told you one more command, traceat. Remember?
Yes, sir. I used that actually.
You did do it now. Traceat 192.
Trace 192 168 3.100.
100. Yeah. Enter.
Yes, sir.
So let the output run. Let the output run. You see, the first hop, if you observe on this traceat, the reply is from 192.168.1.254, which happens to be the gateway of this machine, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And the gateway has forwarded that IP packet to the next hop, which is 12.2.
Mm-hmm.
Now 12.2 is a second hop, which is a router, isn't it? 12.2 is the second router.
Yes, sir.
And we are getting nothing beyond that, correct?
Yes, sir.
So the problem is at 12.2.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, so let's go to 12.2 now.
Yes, sir.
Open that. Now we are in 12.2. Let's check. This 12.2 has got a route to our original destination 3.100. So show IP route
Show IP route
192.168.3.100.
192.168.3.100.
Enter.
Okay, sir. So
So
subnet
this
not in table.
so this fellow did not have that route in that. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now check the routing table. Show IP route.
Show IP route 192.168.3.29.
What is that? 29. 29 means what? What is the block size? 8.
8, sir. Yeah.
That is from 3.1 to 3.6, isn't it? That is a range.
Yes, sir.
So we are trying to find out 3.100, which is not in the range. So obviously R2 will not be able to route. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So what is to be fixed here? We have to fix this static entry, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So show run.
So run.
Go and check that particular static entry.
So IP route 192.168. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So copy this. And first, you want me to just clear this, sir? First, clear this out of
Config T.
no. And then
Paste again.
just paste.
Just
IP
change that
route,
subnet mask.
all zeros.
0. Enter.
Yes, sir.
Go and check now.
Now it prompt. Yes, sir. It's working.
See, the first step itself, it was telling you that 12.2 was saying destination host is unreachable, isn't it? In the very beginning of
Yes,
the
sir.
troubleshooting. So always the approach for troubleshooting is replicate the problem from your point of view. Repeat the problem.
Okay, sir.
Try to find out what is the output, what is the error. Okay, so
Understood,
which machine? Isolate the noise. Try to isolate the things which is not causing any problem. So R1 is not causing any problem. Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir.
So the problem was R2. How did we know? From the output of the ping 12.2.
Okay, sir.
And then we verified why was R2 not able to route that particular IP packet. So show IP route
Yes, sir.
192.168.12.2, sorry, 3.100. We found out that the route was not available in the subnet because someone has accidentally given a wrong subnet. Yeah,
Understood, sir.
we
Yeah.
fixed it. That's it.